guys, welcome to Prakhya
and Vasvi's
POV
podcast.
Really want to change your point of view.
So, Vasi, why did we start this podcast?
So the reason that we started this is because on my vision board for this year, I had like a bunch of things and one of them was starting a podcast.
And so, of course, I did not know about
Yeah.
Vision Board, and we're doing a project together and we had to work. So she opened her laptop and it was her wallpaper, which is not very private because a lot of people will like
Yeah,
her laptop, right?
exactly.
And then what caught my eye was that it said start a podcast in
This
2025.
year, yeah,
And I was like, when did you start a podcast?
exactly. This is the only thing I've not worked on
At all. Yeah.
And yeah, and somehow the conversation went from कि मैंने बिल्कुल इससे काम नहीं किया है
To,
to
do you want to start a podcast together? So here we are.
doing this,
So in today's episode, we're going to talk about our POV on
starting fresh, and what this journey has been for us.
mostly in our teens through our 20s.
Yeah.
Like how we started a new chapter of our lives or
Yeah.
how we moved cities.
So Prakhya,
Hmm.
when did you move out, and like what's your journey been?
I moved out when I was 18. So when I moved to Pune, I was not very sure of the course that I was doing. I was doing BBA. But I wanted to do something more.
Yeah.
I wanted to explore more and I wanted to I knew that this is not the career for me. So when I was in my third year, I got familiar with the concept of filmmaking, and like we had a mini course in our in our syllabus, and I really enjoyed studying that. It was called Appreciating Cinema and Understanding Cinema. So
Okay.
it was very like bougie, very
Yeah.
very fancy, schmancy.
Yeah.
Like हम लोग ऐसे लॉ पढ़ते थे और क्या इकोनॉमिक्स एंड अकाउंट्स एंड एकदम से
And suddenly
अंडरस्टैंडिंग
cinema,
सिनेमा appreciating
yeah.
cinema. I was like, wow, I love
Yeah.
that. So I loved that particular subject, and then I was like, okay, there's more I need to know about filmmaking.
Got it.
So this was a major part of me moving out, and then like how it's like to move out, because I think the stakes got much higher for me when I was
Of
actually
course.
there.
Yeah.
Like everything at home is just given
Yeah.
to you, right? Like
Exactly.
even a glass of water is like
Yeah.
given to you. I think I was home alone and I was talking to somebody on call, and एकदम से कांच टूट गया, ठीक है? तो मैं बेड पे जाके बैठ गई because that's what I knew. क्योंकि जब घर पे कांच टूटता था,
Yeah.
तो
So you
जाके
suddenly told कि नहीं यहाँ से
बच्चों
हट
को
जाओ, यहाँ से हट
बोलते
जाओ.
हैं कि हट जाओ
Yeah.
बेड पे बैठ जाओ, कांच
हाँ,
लगा
कांच
चप्पल
लगे,
पहन लो,
हाँ,
and
exactly.
then फिर झाड़ू लग जाता है, वो साफ हो जाता है. तो मैं बेड पे बैठ गई जाके, and I was like,
Now what?
अब क्या?
अब क्या?
अब क्या?
इसको हटाएगा कौन?
How is this going to happen?
Yeah.
But my experience Pune versus Mumbai was also very different. Like I feel like when you're so young, you're so eager to learn new things. Like
Yeah.
18 versus 21 is still not a big
Yeah.
gap. But moving to Pune, like I adjusted like this.
18 to 21 is not that much of a difference, but 21 to 23 also I feel
It
like
is.
there is,
It is.
because I don't think we realize, but in those early years, suddenly there's a lot of growth that happens
Oh, that
because
really
you
happened.
become a young adult. Yeah.
And I genuinely truly believe
Yeah.
that when you're 25 is when your frontal lobe develops. Okay, I feel like उसके पहले तो life में कोई major decision लेना ही नहीं चाहिए. And I feel like उसके पहले वाले
The irony.
that's true, because we have to take so many
Take
decisions.
a lot of
Most-
decisions.
Most
Yeah.
big decisions
Yeah,
before you
I-
turn
yeah.
25. But I genuinely feel like सबके 25 के पहले वाले versions को तो cancel कर देना चाहिए. और उस दिन से आपको fresh start करनी चाहिए कि अब मैं ये इंसान.
अब मैं ये
क्योंकि इसके पहले तो हम बहुत बेवकूफ थे. Okay, now
Yeah.
I feel like it's your turn.
My
to
story
speak.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Vasi, how has it been moving
Yeah.
out of your home for you?
So basically I am a Delhiite, and then this is the first time I was moving away from my house, from my country. And I mean, I turned 19 within the first month of being there, so I would say like I moved there when I was 19. And After that, I also lived in the Netherlands for 1 year while my 4 year college was going on, because we had this amazing program called the Erasmus program. And then after college, I came back. I wanted to work in London, but also Brexit happened while I was there, so the economy really changed.
Yeah.
And the chances of an international student who was also like not the best at studies, मेरे को इतनी उम्मीद थी नहीं कि मुझे वहाँ पर स्पॉन्सर
मतलब नहीं
वीजा मिल
था।
जाएगा. So I was like, okay, fine, that's cool. So I came back, and then within the year of being here, COVID hit. So not only was I back, I was also fully back at home, because
Like
for 4
also-
years I had not stayed with my parents.
And
And
then
then I was
suddenly-
kind of getting used to staying with them, and then suddenly COVID was like, no, you have to stay with them 24/7 now. But after that, on a very interesting night I had with one of my friends who was already in Mumbai
Yeah. And who
and
was
studying
Yeah.
direction in the college that I went to finally. She was the one who convinced me that I don't know what the hell you're doing anywhere else, or doing
Yeah.
whatever else you're doing. You need to be doing this.
Yeah.
And honestly, we had this discussion in maybe August, and by next year August I was in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So my first question,
Yes.
because you've lived with a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
A lot of flatmates and roommates, and
Roommates
stuff.
flatmates.
What's like one of your wackiest stories?
Horror thriller
Yeah.
story. Okay. So now this is cut to third year in college.
Got it.
So my roommate was my friend, and she was in the same college as me, and we were living in this house for about a year now. I was maybe living for a year and a half. So new flatmates were coming. 2 new girls were supposed to come. 2 girls moved in, and we were just getting like accustomed to each other. I think all 4 of us watched a horror film together.
Okay.
So we realized that ये दोनों को तो काफी डर लगता. They were like extremely scared. वो I think वो इतना डर रही थी
मतलब
दोनों कि
ज़्यादा.
हमें भी डर
हाँ.
लग रहा था.
Okay.
So that was the vibe we went to sleep with. Suddenly, I think around 3 a.m., 3:30, they knock on our doors and they're like, एक ना आवाज आ रही है.
Yeah.
और that voice was basically like कि metal पे कुछ से टंग या कुछ मतलब bang हो रहा है metal. That was the sound.
Okay.
I think the film that we watched, some
Maybe
similar
हाँ,
sounds were in
हाँ.
the film also. So we were
Yeah.
basically like कि अरे तुम लोग तो hallucinate कर रहे हो. It's all psychological because you watched a film, and they
Yeah.
were genuinely very scared. I think they just did
Okay.
not cry.
Yeah.
So we just sort of shooed it away, saying कि हाँ ये तो मस्ती चल रही है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, तुम सो
Yeah.
जाओ. And then me and my roommate have gone to sleep, and I think 10 minutes later we also hear that sound.
Okay.
And I'm like, I ask her that, are you messing around? And she's
Yeah.
asking me, are you messing around? Like, this is not funny, if this is
Yeah.
a joke, like, are you playing some sound or
Yeah.
something? Because it was too clearly echoing in the house. And I was
Okay.
like, okay, this is not fun anymore.
Yeah.
So then I like called a college friend. She came to pick us up, and then all 4 of us have now gone to her house
Her
for the
house.
night.
Yeah.
And then the next morning,
Yeah.
these 2 girls who've moved in recently, they're like, हम जा रहे हैं और हम इस घर में नहीं रह सकते, we are moving out. And I'm now trying to be like the rational person in the situation. अभी तो बस ऐसे आवाज ही आई है, we
हाँ,
need to
एक
like
ही बार
let's
हुआ
see
है,
कि ये
yeah.
क्या हो रहा है, like let's maybe observe. And I think maybe another night we all stayed, and then same.
Same
3
thing
o'clock,
happened.
4 o'clock पे वो आवाज आ रही थी. So they had started looking at PGs nearby or like flats nearby, and then they found one. So they were now packing, and then now you know how some like people's behavior influences everybody. So then my roommate, who I've been living with for a year, who's my friend, so she comes up to me and she's like, okay, I think I'm also gonna move out.
But
And
you
I
guys
was
had
like,
never heard this pehle,
Never. We've been staying there for a year. I've been staying for
Yeah,
longer.
longer.
And I was just like so upset कि भाई ये क्या चल
Yeah.
रहा है. Everyone was telling me that I should also move out. Like that's
Yeah.
the practical thing to do. And I don't know what happened to me. Maybe it was just the fact that I'd stayed there for so long and I loved my room and I loved the
Yeah.
house. So I was like, मैं तो यहीं रहूंगी, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ.
Yeah.
मुझे पूरा फेथ है कि इस घर में सब कुछ ठीक
ठीक
है,
है.
क्योंकि मतलब दिस इज अ वेरी I don't know, lazy भूत then वो एक साल से कहाँ था.
कहाँ था?
तो मतलब मेरे मन में I was just trying to like rationalize, but I think ये अभी हुआ होता ना तो मैं तो बाय हो चुका होता same day मेरी तरफ से भी. But I don't know कहाँ से ऐसे courage वरेज आ गया है मेरे अंदर, and I'm like मैं तो यहीं रहने वाली हूँ. एंड पूरे नेबरहुड में बात फैल गई है कि 4 लड़कियां रहती थी इस फ्लैट में और वहां भूत आ गया और सब भाग गई. एंड देन इट्स लाइक दे आर ऑल लाफिंग. एंड the general store that was near our house, like I went there, they're like, अरे आप नहीं गए? नहीं गई.
मैं तो बहुत brave.
बहादुरी का दूसरा नाम. Hit me. And then I think a few days later, like I'm like देखो सब ठीक है.
Yeah.
Come back home from college, exam देके, and that voice is coming, bro. Now this is the first time it's coming during the day. अब वो दिन में भी आने लग गई, तो I was like, okay, this is now
Getting eerie. Yeah.
getting slightly eerie only कि
Yeah.
भाई क्या दिन में आ रही है आवाज. And then I call, there was a caretaker, like there was a woman. So I called her and I was like, Didi, the voice is coming now. So she got like this person and she came, and they were trying to hear कि कहाँ से आ रही. Can you take a guess?
No, I have zero idea.
Yeah, okay, so basically there was like a shelf, like a storage situation, which we never opened. So उनको वहाँ से आवाज आ रही थी, वो स्टोरेज खोल के उसके अंदर there was a vent जहाँ पे एक pigeon फंस गया था.
कब से?
Which was connected to a shaft of the building. The pigeon was basically hitting the pipes.
Oh my god.
तो वहाँ पे plumbing होगी सारी, तो वो अपनी beak मारता था, and then that voice would echo all over the house. But like the theatrics of it was like, it was so dramatic.
भाई उस pigeon ने 3 flatmates को भगा दिया.
And तुम सोचो, the landlord probably made so much money because like got rent from like 6 people. But like a pigeon.
A poor pigeon who got stuck.
Yeah.
Got everyone out of the house.
Got people out of the house.
Except for you.
Except for me.
Yeah.
I just loved my room. It was too pretty. My question for you is
Okay.
that what was the moment or an experience with your friends that you in that moment felt that I have a home away from home now?
So that third year when all of us were living together, all of our other friends also became a part of that house, right?
Okay.
So हम तीनों तो रहते ही थे, but I think second half of that year we always had a 4th or a 5th person with us.
Okay.
And a lot of our friends who were in the UK in general would come and stay with us. So I honestly did not want to go back home in that year. My friend who is not Indian, she loved Indian food.
Oh wow.
So we started cooking proper feast. We made pav bhaji there.
Oh my god.
And when you're like initial days of cooking or years of cooking, pav bhaji seems like a little hectic. But there, it became like every other week you would make. I think when you're surrounded with your friends and it's such a homely feeling, you also want to eat comfort food.
Yeah.
And I was like, if this is what home will feel like for the rest of my life, I'm okay. Like I did not want to, I genuinely did not want to move away.
Oh.
And so when I was moving to Mumbai, I was genuinely very nervous about this because my community from London had turned into my community in Delhi also.
Oh.
Because a lot of them came back. A lot of us came back.
Of course, they were your school friends.
Exactly. School friends plus by extension I became close to other people. So now everyone was in Delhi. So I was so worried about moving. But I think Mumbai as a city doesn't let you think. I don't know how to explain that.
Yeah.
It's so fast paced. Everyone is doing something or the other. No one is standing in the same position for more than like 10 seconds, I feel.
That's so true. I am not even sit in the same position.
Exactly. So I think the work and my personal growth, everything, plus just having a really close friend by my side all the time really helped.
Has shaped
But
your journey.
for sure. Mumbai grew on. I genuinely enjoy this city, and I see a lot more positives here in terms of the kind of life I want to live. So I feel a little more like, oh, Mumbai can do that for me.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
Delhi now is too comfortable.
Yeah, like
मेरे
it's
को
your
हाँ,
home, so-
exactly. Like Mumbai
Yeah.
has made me like crave some energy which I don't find in Delhi anymore.
Like I am basically, once they say that you live here, you can't live anybody else. I
Yeah.
agree with that.
Yeah,
I
that's
feel like I
true.
can now. I'm one of
Yeah,
those who will say that
same,
तुम
हाँ.
Bombay आ जाओ. And then
Exactly. Like I
I've
keep on
turned.
calling people to Mumbai
I'm a part
now.
of the cult now.
Yeah.
I have joined the Mumbai
Join
cult.
the Mumbai cult.
Yeah.
And I'm like, not to say that Delhi is not my comfort and not
People
my
are going to
home.
come at you in the
That's
comment
true.
section.
It's like, hello, Delhi
So,
versus.
इसी बहाने watch it. मैं बुराई कर रही हूँ.
Yeah, I swear.
Yeah.
People are going to come at me for saying whatever I did, and I will never take away anything from Delhi because Delhi is dil walon ki. I would say that.
Yeah.
But Mumbai की अलग energy है.
So since we're very popular, every sponsor is like fighting to sponsor
To
us right
sponsor
now.
us, yeah.
So we are going to. Okay, we don't have a sponsor. So this is a sort of like, this is sponsorship manifestation
Yeah.
where we're gonna recommend like products that we like. So it's a sort
and
of
we have like been using
using
and
them.
we really do like it.
yeah. So this is unsponsored recommendations.
Recommendations.
Yeah, which we hope manifest into like, hello brands, are you listening?
Yeah, and also for
Yeah.
you guys to like
Yeah.
know about these products in case you don't already.
Yeah.
Today we're talking about an Indian brand called Nude. And both of us,
Yeah.
actually it's a really funny story as to how we discovered this.
Yeah. Okay, so we were shooting in Madhya Pradesh in January.
Yeah.
And this was like an outdoor shoot, so we were packing, and I had like the travel kit for everything.
Yeah.
But only my shower gel I did not have. Like, it was a
Yeah.
huge bottle, so I was just seeing like shower gels on Zepto.
Yeah.
Also, this is very last minute.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm just like, okay, shampoo check, everything check, and I was like, okay, I'll just order a shower gel, like a travel friendly bottle or something. And I came across this brand, and the bottle was so like fun. The packaging was so
Packaging
fun.
is insane, by the way.
And I've packed it in my bag, and then we were both sharing the
Both
room in
sharing the
Indore.
room, so yeah.
So I was like, Kwasi, you have to try this. It's so fun.
Yeah.
And I think cut to 3-4 months later, when I went to your house and you were not in town,
Yeah.
I went to your washroom. Okay, also she lives with her friend.
Yeah.
So I went to
So
visit
that's
her.
actually, yeah.
I have not broken into her house to check what she's using.
What am I using?
Yeah, so I went to your washroom and
Yeah.
I saw it, and I was
Yeah.
like, oh, she's using it now.
Because
I
I
love it.
genuinely, and
Yeah.
I've been using it ever since. I think I've finished one bottle already. I'm
Yeah.
on my second.
Oh, wow.
And it's got some really nice ingredients.
Yeah.
All things great for your
Great
for your body,
skin,
for your
makes
skin.
the skin super smooth.
Yeah.
Also, it's very budget friendly.
Yeah.
Smells great. Like, I think I was sold on the way the fragrance
Exactly.
was. I
And
loved
the
it.
packaging makes it
Yeah.
look super premium.
Super cute.
Especially when you're looking for something that feels premium but doesn't hurt your pocket.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, I love that. I would
Yeah.
10 on 10 recommend. So now we're moving on to our mini segment, and this essentially we're gonna just play some games with each other. We're gonna have
Yeah.
some fun challenges, and we're gonna recommend some movies.
So the game is that we each give the other actors of the film and they have to guess what movie are we talking about.
Yeah, based on the
Based on the
actors,
cast. Based on
Yeah.
the cast. So the first movie that I'm giving you is, I'll give you the first actress, Emily Blunt. Oh, sorry, and you also only get one guess per actor.
Oh my god, I am blank. I have not seen a lot of Emily Blunt films.
Okay, because the other ones will for sure give you away.
Oh no.
Give the film away. Okay, Anne Hathaway.
Emily Blunt and Anne Hathaway. Princess Diaries. No, Emily Blunt's not in it.
Yeah.
Oh no. Shit.
Okay, one guess is gone. Now, because I want to make this a little harder for
Okay.
you, I'm going to give you a sort of secondary
Okay,
actor
okay.
name. Okay, Stanley Tucci.
I don't think I've seen this film, dude.
You for sure have seen this one, and once you'll hear the name, you'll be like, what?
Yeah, I think that's gonna happen.
Yeah.
We're gonna get that moment.
Yeah.
Oh,
do you want the
no.
last actor, or do you want to just? Do you want me to give you the name?
Is it Ocean's 8? No, Emily Blunt is not in Ocean's 8.
Wow. Okay. Last actor, Meryl Streep.
The Devil Wears Prada.
Yes.
How? I can't believe it was so obvious. It was like right there. Oh no, it was right there. I can't
Exactly.
believe
I told
how
you.
this is my last guess.
I
Oh my
told
god.
you.
Oh no, I'm
Okay.
so sorry.
Okay. So my second English film
Okay.
for you
Okay.
is a very fun film. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you the first actor of it.
Okay.
Okay. Dave Franco.
Is this the film I have thought of? Oh my god.
I don't know that.
Shit. Oh! Neighbors!
I mean, bad neighbors, but
Bad
I'll give
Neighbors.
you the point.
Yeah. I think okay, if you would have not said it's a fun film, I would have not been able to.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
God, I was so nice to you. Fine, let's
You
see
were
what
not
you
nice.
give.
You were not nice to me. Circumstances were kind. Yeah. Okay, so it's my turn now.
Yeah.
And first actor is Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez. Is it that film with Demi Lovato? What was the name? Princess Protection Program.
Oh my god, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Selena has done so many films. I thought you were gonna say Monte Carlo, and then I thought you were gonna say like Wizards or what. You've seen Princess Protection
I
Program.
love that film. I used to watch it all the time.
Oh my
like
god.
all the time.
So now the second film.
Yes.
Okay. So your first actor is Chris Pratt.
Okay. So I will Guardians of the Galaxy.
No.
No.
Did you think it was gonna be that easy? No.
Yeah, but also Chris Pratt is most famous for that film.
That's fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Your second guess is Steve Harvey.
I have zero idea who this person is. Like for real.
You don't know who this actor is?
I mean, I can't.
Place him.
Yeah, I can't,
can't
place
place him,
him.
that's okay.
And him and Chris Pratt together. Okay, zero.
Okay, I'll
idea.
give you a hint.
Yeah.
Like the third actor.
Yeah.
Okay. Kate Hudson.
Kate Hudson.
Yeah.
And Chris Pratt. Is it an old film? Man, I can only think of one Kate Hudson film right now, which is the one with Matthew McConaughey. Was Chris Pratt in it? 10 Things I Hate About You?
Yep. So last
Okay.
hint. Like iske baad if you don't guess, then you're out.
Then I'm
Then you are
okay.
disqualified.
Then I'm out.
Then you
Okay,
can't
cool.
play around.
Okay. I'm gonna try and figure.
Same actor, Anne Hathaway.
Oh, I
Yeah.
know this. Bride Wars. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's Bride Wars.
In your face.
Sure. Okay. So now we're moving on to the Bollywood round,
Yeah.
and here we're going to only we're
We're
going
gonna
to start with the
with-
secondary
yeah.
actors, and then we will move on to the primary. If Vasvi is not
If
able to
I'm
guess.
not able to guess in
Yeah.
the meantime.
I will to guess it. Okay.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
sure you
they-
might.
okay.
Yeah.
So your first actor is Vijay Raz. Vijay Raz. Please don't say you don't know who that is. That is insane. If you don't know who Vijay Raz is, okay.
Maybe that's what I'm saying. I maybe
Haan.
know him.
You know that kawa biryani meme? Horrible.
या मेरे को अभी
वो
बिल्कुल
बटन
याद
बटन
आ
नहीं
रहा।
दबाना था, ये बटन था, नहीं दबाना था.
अच्छा हाँ
धमाल.
okay
Vijay Raz is that
okay
person.
oh welcome
Yeah.
director
Oh yeah.
yeah okay
Yeah.
yes so
Yeah.
I do know him I
Haan.
just I can't
That's what I
put
meant. That's
yeah.
why I wanted you to like.
yeah
Vijay Raz is the first hint.
okay
Yeah. Do you want to take a guess?
so actually I don't know जो इतनी हमने
Hmm.
बात करी है probably that's the only one I know.
Okay, fine. Your next guess is Vijay Verma.
Vijay Verma and Vijay Rao the new Kareena Kapoor film
Oh, that one. I
But
don't
he's
think
not
Vijay Raj is
Vijay
not
Raj
in it.
not in it.
But that's a guess.
Okay, fuck
Technically,
yeah,
that's
that's a guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shiba Chadda.
This is very tough, Praxi.
This is revenge. For
Clearly.
Aankhein. This is revenge.
Okay, I can't. You have to give me one more actor.
One more. Kalki. This is a very popular film, by the way. That's your hint.
Vijay Verma and Kalki
Yeah.
and Shiva Chadha.
I feel like we can sit here all
I have
night.
zero idea what this film is.
Okay, I'll give you another hint. Siddhant Chaturvedi.
भाई तुम मुझे क्या बता रही हो?
Vash is like, has this film been made without my knowledge?
Gully Boy.
मेरे गली में
Yeah. Oh my
So
god,
Vijay
this
Raj
took
is Ranveer's
embarrassingly
Long.
long for me.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, but does it
Good for
count
me.
as a win? Because I guessed it.
It's fine. Like, it's fine. You guessed it. Like, I think you can get like half
Okay,
a point.
cool. Oh shit.
Yeah, okay.
Second one.
Film. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Kiara Advani.
Kiara Advani. Good news.
No, she was not the secondary character. in
No,
Good
it's
News.
not again like that.
Sanjay Dutt.
Babe, give me one more.
You almost said it like I am at fault somehow. Like, what is wrong with you? Why would you do that? Like,
Oh my
Hello.
god, I have zero idea.
okay. Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Aditya Roy Kapoor and Kiara Advani and Sanjay Dutt.
Yeah, they're in a film together.
Babe, I need one more.
Okay, so I'll give you one more. If you're not able to guess after this,
Yeah.
then it doesn't count. as a
Okay,
win.
cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Sonakshi Sinha. No. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you one last.
Oh my
okay,
God,
one
you
last.
are really rooting
I
for
really-
me.
I really am. Madhuri Dixit.
Kalang.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Kiara Advani was in Kalang.
She was like it wasn't even a cameo.
This one I think would be easy. Okay, I'll start
For
with
me?
the yeah.
Oh, you're being
Okay.
kind to me. Thank you.
Okay, so the first one.
Okay.
Prachi Desai.
ना जाने कहाँ से आए चित्रांगना भी है क्या इसमें? ना
No.
जाने कहाँ से आए।
और ये गाना तो बिल्कुल नहीं है उसमें जो तुम
जॉन
तो भी
इब्राहिम
सोच
और
रहे
एक तो
हो।
था ना कुछ
नहीं।
तो अभी मैंने रील देखी थी यार इसकी
Hmm.
रॉक ऑन
No. Okay, a second
Okay.
guess because that one has been taken.
okay
Randeep Huda.
there was this film in which she was like really like ऐसा साड़ी वाड़ी पहन के really sad
This is not a movie title.
I know this is kind of place साड़ी वाड़ी पहन के really sad is this that could be like a rap साड़ी
Yeah.
वाड़ी पहन के sad क्यों होती है
Lol.
yeah can you give me like can you help me with another actor
Yeah.
yeah
Okay. Kangana Ranaut.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen this film, dude. I have
No, you must have.
idea.
This is pretty popular.
Is this like a gangster film? I feel like it's a gangster film. Not sure though.
I need a name, baby.
Is it Once Upon a Time in Mumbai?
Yes.
Oh, nice. I've not seen it.
Ah,
I think
it's
the
a
second
good
part.
one. It's a good
Ah.
one. So my last film for you.
Okay.
Yeah, first actor.
No.
Rajkumar Rao.
Gangs of Wasseypur.
No.
Okay.
Shruti Hassan.
I know this film. Wait. But she's a secondary character, na?
Yeah.
It's not coming to me. I know this film for sure. Okay. I
You
need
want another?
Another, yeah.
Okay. Uma Qureshi.
I don't know this film. I don't know this film. What is this film? I don't know.
Irfan Khan.
I have never seen a film where Shruti Hassan and Irfan Khan are like in the same film. Oh my god, what is this film, dude?
You want
I think
another?
this game is very tough.
It is.
I think
It is.
It is quite tough.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want one more name?
I do.
Arjun Rampal.
I don't know. Are you making a film right now in real time? But
I only have one more name to give you.
if I give.
Rishi Kapoor.
I promise you, I am not able to place anybody. I don't know anything.
D-Day.
Oh, I haven't seen it. I have not seen it.
But yeah, I don't know who won Praxi.
I think it was a tie. I really think it was a tie.
Yeah.
Yeah, or maybe we'll let them decide.
Yeah, otherwise if you want to decide who wins,
Yeah.
I mean you can.
It was a tie
Yeah.
for me.
So before we go, we want to recommend film/TV show.
TV shows which are
that
on
is-
theme
Yeah.
to the episode.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the theme was starting fresh
Yes.
and new beginnings and everything.
Yeah.
So Praxi, would you like to tell the people what they should watch over the
people
weekend?
of POV. Yeah.
The people of POV.
So, this is a show I recently watched, which was, I think, a major theme in at least the first season was starting fresh for both the protagonists. And the name of the show is Ginny and Georgia. And I really enjoyed the show. It's a mother-daughter story, and I don't want to say too much actually. And it's like starting fresh for both the mom and the daughter.
Yeah.
That's like how the first episode starts. So watch it and let me know what you guys think.
Yeah. And you guys can watch it on Netflix.
Yes,
Right.
it's on Netflix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my recommendation for the weekend is this really fun rom-com, I would say. It's a film called How to Be Single.
Yeah.
It stars Dakota Johnson and Rebel Wilson. And it came out it's been a while. It came out in like 2016. So
yeah.
honestly, it'll be 9 years back.
Yeah. I really like
I think, I mean, I haven't super recently watched it, but I remember when I did watch it and over the years whenever I've seen it, I think it's been a really fun film. And it's about a girl who moves to New York and she's sort of navigating that plus being single.
Yeah.
So it's quite fun and you guys can catch it on Triangle.
So these were our recommendations for the weekend. Watch it and
Tell me how it was. So yeah.
okay, yeah. That was the end of our episode.
Yeah.
Tune in for episode 2 next Friday.
Yeah.
Same channel.
Same time.
And please
Like
share.
and subscribe.
Oh, good, but yeah, please go do that. I'm still getting used to this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
You know what? To change your point of view.
अरे सब लोग बोलते हैं ना हसल करो मेहनत करो हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं
हम मेहनत कर
हमें
रहे हैं
व्यूज चाहिए हमें व्यूज
and
चाहिए
वो तुम्हें ही देने हैं
That's
और
true.
कोई नहीं दे सकता
Imagine it's just your family, my family watching it.
जो भी like वो हमारे बच्चे कितने क्यूट हैं
Cute
हाँ
है.
cute.
10 views.
10